जिसमें आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि एक अकाउंटिंग फर्म इस फील्ड में इतनी मैसिव हायरिंग करेगी. The expansion doesn't mean that they will be hiring the accountants and consultants. This is not about the tech sides of the things only. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video or welcome back to a channel of 1k subscribers. ये 1k subscribers मेरे दिमाग से जा ही नहीं रहा है. Now we are sitting at 1250 but still वो excitement, वो जो nervousness थी before 1k वो मेरे दिमाग से जा ही नहीं रहा. So ये सब बातें बाद में. And the main motive of this video is एक बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ सुनने में आ रही है that PwC is set to create 30,000 jobs in next 5 years. तो आपने PwC के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. This is one of the big four consulting firms and making a bold move, they have created and announced that 30,000 jobs will be created from their side for the new skills and technological aspects. And technological aspects I'm mentioning in the start of the video because this is going to be an important aspect for rest of the video, क्योंकि ये जो 30,000 जॉब्स क्रिएट हो रही हैं दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंटली रिलेटेड टू दी टेक्नोलॉजिकल फील्ड. तो सभी चीज़ों पे बात करेंगे कि इसकी क्या ज़रूरत पड़ गई एंड व्हाट इम्पैक्ट दिस विल बी हैविंग इन द फ्यूचर बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट एंड बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस. तो सभी चीज़ों पे बात करेंगे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद एक्चुअली व्हाट PwC इज़ डूइंग. इन अ रीसेंट इंटरव्यू टिम रायर जो PwC यूएस के पार्टनर हैं, उन्होंने ये अनाउंस किया इंटरव्यू में दैट PwC will be creating 30,000 jobs in next 5 years and this will be done in a joint venture of PwC US and PwC India and set up the ventures in India and enhancing the ones which is already there in India. तो ये एक बेसिकली उन्होंने अपने इंटरव्यू में ये बोला था कि PwC इंडिया और PwC यूएस के जॉइंट वेंचर से ये जॉब्स क्रिएट होंगी एंड दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रेटजी फॉर मीटिंग अप द ग्रोइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड growing requirements from the client side, including digital transformation, technical consulting, and cyber security, and many more technologies like this. So now you might be having a question कि PwC ये कर क्यों रही है? Like what is the need of doing this? PwC is already one of the largest firm around the world. तो उनको ये चीज़ करने की क्या ज़रूरत पड़ गई? Well, this is just a part of meeting up the requirements, क्योंकि as we have seen last 1-1.5-2 सालों में कि businesses have faced massive disruption in terms of requirements, in terms of skills. So there is an increasing need for the new skills. New skills की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है and specifically in the technology field. Companies are heavily investing in technology such as AI, machine learning, cloud computing and data analytics and many more like this. And PwC is not an exception. उनको भी अपनी फील्ड में ग्रो करना है. तो जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स आएंगी क्लाइंट साइड से उनको मीटअप करने के लिए they have to invest in their technology. However, they are investing. These trends such as AI and automation, these are not just changing the operations of business, these are reshaping the complete industries. And PwC is investing in these technologies to stay ahead at the curve and continue to provide the cutting edge solutions to the clients, which they are already doing since last 150 years. But here is an interesting part in this. The expansion doesn't mean that they will be hiring the accountants and consultants. They won't. PwC is actively looking in that fields जिसमें आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि एक अकाउंटिंग फर्म इस फील्ड में इतनी मैसिव हायरिंग करेगी. PwC and other companies which are hiring this massively, they are looking for tech experts, AI specialists, machine engineers and cyber security experts and many more like the technological aspect. और in fact एक बहुत बड़ा portion in 30,000 jobs का will be dedicated towards the emerging technologies जो business environments को change कर रही हैं. So अल्टीमेटली ये आपको क्या फ़ायदा करेगा, या आपको खुश होना चाहिए या दुखी हो जाना चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है. बट इफ़ यू आर अ टेक प्रोफेशनल और डेटा साइंटिस्ट or someone who is very interested in technological emerging aspects, so this can be a golden opportunity for you to get into a company which wasn't looking for this type of skills earlier, but now they have a requirement and a massive requirement of 30,000. So you have the probability of entering the this company which is already ruling in another field across the world. So you can have a great start with your career with this golden opportunity. So PwC is looking for the talent in the field of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation. But this is not about the tech sides of the things only. PwC is preparing for the future of the work, in which remote and hybrid environment of working are becoming a norm. Like everywhere we are seeing that people are following hybrid work environment, and all the companies are allowing it also, and some of the companies are allowing the remote environment also. This is the future of work, that in future we will be seeing that the maximum companies or majority of the companies will be following this particular norm of working, like this particular environment of working. तो इसके लिए प्रिपेयर होना अभी से बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है. तभी PwC is actively looking for these kinds of talents by growing their workforce from 50,000. Right now there are 50,000 employees for PwC India. From 50,000 to 80,000, increasing that 30,000 will be helping PwC India for providing the innovative solutions, providing the cutting edge solutions for the clients which they have already been ruling in. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Why we are seeing many companies making these kinds of bold hiring moves? Well, it's very clear that businesses are now being the technology driven and data driven. From automation to advanced analytics, companies are having a need ताकि वो फुलफिल कर पाए रिक्वायरमेंट्स जो भी क्लाइंट्स उनके पे आएंगे, जो भी इस तरीके के सॉल्यूशंस को मांगेंगे उन कंपनीज से जो ये प्रोवाइड करेंगी. तभी तो द फ्यूचर ऑफ द वर्क विच इज टेक ड्रिवन, विच विल बी कोप्ड अप by maximum companies which are there in the industry. And PwC is not the only one who is making this bold hiring move. Many other companies are also, such as I have heard of PhysicsWallah, which is providing 8,000 new jobs to the tech background people. So many companies are more like this who are making these kinds of bold moves, and this particular shift will be creating new career opportunities for thousands of people who wanted to get into big companies, but because of the lack of vacancies and disruption and layoffs which we have seen in last years, तो वो उसकी वजह से नहीं एंटर कर पा रहे थे इन बड़ी कंपनीज में. सो दिस विल बी अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देम. सो अगर आप स्कूल में हैं या अभी अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या कॉलेज में हैं, तो बी अश्योर्ड, एंड दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज सिग्नल कि टेक्नोलॉजी एस्पेक्ट्स को एनहांस करना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है आने वाले फ्यूचर. ये टाइम है जब साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग या एआई या मशीन लर्निंग रोल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा होगी आने वाले कुछ सालों में. एंड PwC and firms like them are leading the charge of the future of work. To sum up, PwC जो 30,000 jobs add कर रही है is a great reflection कि आने वाले आने वाला फ्यूचर इंडस्ट्री और वर्किंग के लिए सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी फील्ड पे डिपेंड करेगा. एंड जितने लोग टेक्नोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स में हैं, as I belong from a technological background, I have studied AI, machine learning and cloud computing as well, so that will be helping you in future. And PwC and firms like them are setting a stage for these kind of candidates to success in the future. So that's it for today's video. If you find it interesting, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are already on the pace of hitting 1.5k and 2k subscribers soon. So if you found it interesting, you can stay tuned with the channel. Many more new things are coming on the channel, and PwC is really up to hiring 30,000 new employees in next 5 years. So all the best for it. Be prepared for it, and I'll see you in next video. Till then, if you have any queries, any questions about Big Four or any of the firms and any of the colleges, you can comment it down below, and I'll definitely meet you in next video with something new to the channel. Till then, keep chasing your dreams, and thank you so much for watching again.